There was no fault codes, no warning lights. What we found inside was shocking. This Ford Mondeo diesel 2-liter lose in power, customer not knowing the history of the fuel filter. See what we found. Today, we are working on 2016 Ford Mondeo with 2-liter TDCi diesel engine. This is a common rail diesel engine used across a number of Ford models, including the Mondeo, S-Max, Galaxy, Kuga, and Focus, depending on the model year and the engine variant. So this particular vehicle came into the workshop with very interesting complaint, guys. So the engine was struggling to maintain the smooth idle, and the customer noticed that the car felt sluggish on takeoff and accelerating. So there was another important clue. So warning lights on the dashboard, and we scanned the vehicle. There were no relevant fault code stored in the engine control module. So instead of simply replacing expensive components, we went back to the basics and checked what the fuel system was actually doing when the faults occur. So, on the modern common rail diesel, maintaining the correct fuel pressure is extremely important. The engine control module constantly monitors fuel pressure and adjusts the system to meet the required pressure under different operating conditions. So when we monitored the actual fuel pressure against the target or desired fuel pressure, the numbers were not consistently matching. At certain times, the actual fuel pressure would drop from the requested pressure. So that immediately made the fuel supply system, I thought it's getting faulty, so I thought it's worth investigating. So this customer had no known service history of showing the fuel filter being replaced, and this is where the things became very interesting. So we removed the fuel filter to inspect its condition, and what we found was not what you would expect from properly maintained diesel fuel system. So this filter was heavily contaminated and completely clogged. So inside that spring type area, it's hard to show on camera. So a lot of debris, metal particles, and some brown stuff, some water underneath the fuel filter. So we thoroughly cleaned the fuel filter housing, make no scratch or cracks. And I use this brand, which is one of the good brands. And install new fuel filter. So a restricted fuel filter can reduce the amount of diesel reach into the fuel system, particularly when the engine demands more fuel during acceleration. That can contribute to fuel pressure instability, poor engine response, hesitation, difficult starting, or an engine that struggles to maintain a smooth idle. So, and remember, the clogged fuel filter does not necessarily mean you will get warning light or fault codes. So when you're tightening, you don't need to torque the fuel filter. There is an arrow mark on this type, so you need to align those arrow marks and then do not over tight. So, and also I just want to mention, watching live data is very important when you're diagnosing this kind of issue. So rather than immediately condemning an expensive high pressure fuel pump or set of diesel injectors replacement, we found much simpler problem that needed to be addressed first. So as you can see now, the fuel filter being replaced, and I'm just installing the fuel filter housing back into the engine. So we are pretty much done. So after the new filter is installed, the fuel system needs to be primed correctly. So on this engine, this type, you don't have a primer on the top of the fuel filter head to pump. So what you need to do, turn the ignition, turn the key on, leave it for like about 10 seconds, turn it off and turn it back on, leave it for about 10 seconds. Do this for at least 4-5 times before you start the car. If you start without doing this, you will have air in the fuel system. So I'll show you how I do this. So once I started, I checked the fuel pressure through the scan tool. Fuel pressure was perfect and drove the car. The car performance was way better than what it was. So if you own a Ford Mondeo, S-Max, Galaxy, Kuga or another Ford using 2-liter TDCi diesel engine, do not overlook the fuel filter when diagnosing poor performance. If you found this diagnostic and fuel filter replacement helpful, subscribe to Prime Tech Automotive for more real-world diagnosis for repairs, common rail system troubleshooting and workshop repair videos. And remember, diagnose first, replace parts second.